Hi everyone, welcome to macsartplace. Well, I think I got the magnets fixed, only it's a little crooked, so I'm going to have to work with straightening that out. So anyway, hi there. Hope everyone is well. Today I'm living a little dangerously, having a white top on. Hopefully it won't be all painted up by the time I'm done. Today I'm working on a 12-inch round, and I'm going to do an open cup, which I've never done before. I'm going to put the Amsterdam white on my round. It's 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and I'm using Artez's Pearl Sea Green, 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol. I'm also using the Blingit's Mermaid scales mixed with their pouring medium, Vivid Polypore, and my Arteza Violet with Floetrol, 3 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. I also have satin enamel, might stick a little bit of that in there. Arteza's Pearl Amarantha red with Deco Art purling medium. And I have vermilion, and it's got 2 parts Sargent's acrylic gloss in it, 1 part Minwax polyacrylic, 3 parts Floetrol, and a squirt of water. And along with that, I have the Blingit's Firefly. So hopefully it'll come out nice. I've never done a open cup, so we'll see what happens. Cover myself up. Well, we're down here. It says little crooked, but at least it's not falling off, so I'll have to work on that. I don't know why it's crooked. I'm going to put Amsterdam white on my board. Get my paddle here. I think I need another cup underneath. A couple of more cups. There, hopefully that's a little more stable. And a little more white. Haven't worked on a 12-inch round either. I've done records, and it's, you know, something similar in shape, but not the same. Okay, here's my cup, and I think I'll start there. And we'll put some of this. I really like this color, Pearl Sea Green. Cover their bottom with that. And then some of this one. This has the Blingit in it. And a little bit of purple. And some of this satin enamel. And Don't get them out of order. You'll go goofy. Here we go again. So far it's not moving anywhere. I think those two colors together will be pretty nice. They're blues, but okay. Did I use the purple next? I think so. Pretty soon we'll have a whole cup. There we go with the... And this one. That's kind of, I'm pretty sure, enough paint for that particular item. Trying not to get it on myself. So, I thought it would come out by itself, but it's not. So, we'll just have to go like this. Here's my torch. And I see some nice cells down in there. Not too happy with the middle part yet, anyway. have a couple of edges there that don't have paint on them, but I think that's okay, and I find this very interesting. The mermaid scales are very, very shiny, and I know the phone probably won't pick that up when I take you down for a look-see, but we'll give it a try. First, let me get this paint off my gloves. Get my glove off so I don't put any more paint on my phone. Be right back. So here's the end result. See those spots out there? I think they're okay though. That's really interesting in there. Yeah. See, that's where the mermaid scales are, but you can't really pick up the shiny part on the phone. I don't know why the phone doesn't do that. And here's the other area. Well, I hope you've enjoyed. Thanks very much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and have a great rest of the weekend. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up. Bye.